Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Wednesday, August 22nd. And you can see over in that Cass City area, that place known as the North Branch of the mighty Cass River, up to 6.3 inches of rain fell yesterday. So quite a storm out there, and many areas around the area around Michigan pick up quite a bit of rainfall, especially across the central locations. And as far as headlines go, lots of sunshine developing later on today, and it'll be pleasant weather right on through Friday morning. And then as the heat begins to move back towards the Great Lakes, look for a chance of showers and thunder showers to move in later Friday night into early Saturday. And we'll see temperatures rise up into the 80s and maybe even close to 90 on Sunday, as we expect, again, a very warm air mass, and we expect that warm air overall to hang around for quite some time. As far as yesterday, we had a high of 73 and a low of 64 with 1.71 inches of rain here in Breckenridge. Takes us up to 3.24 for the month, so a pretty wet month so far. And so far for the month of August, also a very warm month, 3.8 degrees above normal per day. And you can see some of the rainfall and some of the big differences between locations. Over 3 inches of rain fell in Lakeview, but only about 11/100ths of an inch as you get over towards the Lansing and the Henderson area. And if we look at around the state, you can see some of the heavy rainfall, of course, at 6.3 in Cass City and around 5.64 in the Beale City area. Lots of flooding up there. And then you can see some of the areas with some of the heavy rainfall, including 3.05 at our Lakeview station, 2.19 at our Newaygo station, and of course 1.71 here. And as you get from east to west, the amounts really increased here in Gratiot County with our 1.71. Then you got up to around 3 inches over in Alma, 3.5 inches in St. Louis. Again, heaviest rains as you went to the west and north from the Breckenridge location. And as far as out there this morning, temperatures very comfortable. The dew points and humidity's lowering. Temperature down to 55 degrees at Lakeview. So another cool night tonight with lows in the low 50s. Open up the windows and you can keep the air conditioners off for at least several days, but you'll probably need them here as we get into the weekend with humidity, dew points, and much warmer temperatures coming back. On the satellite, you can see that system moving across Ontario this morning, and all the main rain shield is now off to the northeast, well away from the state of Michigan. Just some wraparound leftover showers. And then later today, as this area of high pressure and clear skies moves in, we'll see temperatures try to warm, but it won't get too warm today. Highs only in the low to mid 70s. But with that sunshine, we could get some instability, showers to pop up, especially across the northern portions of lower Michigan. But for the most part, they'll be quite widely scattered. As far as the radar this morning, you can see that activity moving out of the lower peninsula. Just a few leftover showers earlier this morning across the Thumb area into southwest Ontario. And again, they'll sweep off to the east and northeast as that system pulls away. On the weather map this morning, you can see that low pressure system heading towards London. It'll continue to pull off to the northeast, and again, it'll take the clouds with it. And again, only an instability shower possible later this afternoon, but plenty of sunshine. Very comfortable, a nice breeze, highs in the low 70s. And then tomorrow with sunshine, we'll see temperatures in the upper 70s as high pressures will rule the Great Lakes and Midwest area. And we're going to watch this area, though, to our southwest as that heat begins to build. A warm front will push up through the area, but the main low will move off to the west. So I think the heaviest precipitation will be off here to the northwest of much of the area. We'll see some showers and thunderstorms, however, Friday night and Saturday. And I think about 1/4 of an inch is possible in certain areas. Of course, if you get under a thunderstorm, it could be more. And you can see the forecasted rainfall. Again, that'll be with the warm air push coming into the Great Lakes, the heaviest amounts off into the UP, back into Wisconsin. Again, much of the MAC area, anywhere from around a trace to maybe about 3/10 of an inch as it looks right now. As far as any kind of severe weather, the odds are quite low across the area for any severe weather risks. And our forecast, temperatures today climbing up into the low to mid 70s with lots of sunshine. And then we'll see plenty of sunshine for tomorrow, highs in the upper 70s. And then we'll see those temperatures begin to warm up to at least the low 80s on Saturday. As that warm front pushes in, we'll see some showers and thunderstorms for later Friday night, into possibly early Saturday. But Saturday looks like a pretty decent day, as well as Sunday. By Sunday, we can see that sunshine driving temperatures up into the upper 80s, maybe a 90-degree reading across the area in a couple of spots. Thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day, and 73s to all.